Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, unlatch the stand and lift it off the system. Unlatch and remove the back cover. Identify the system board shield and remove the 6 screws. Lift the shield out of the system. Identify the wireless module and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to lift the module out of the system. Identify the I/O cover and remove the 2 screws. Lift the cover out of the system. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, place it back in the system and secure it with the screw. Place the I/O cover back on the system and tighten the 2 screws. Place the wireless module back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch it and install the screw to secure it. Place the system board shield back in the system and secure it with the 6 screws. Relatch the back cover to the system and then relatch the stand. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.